Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a repair on this really nice, clean, all original 350Z convertible. You notice it's blue in color. I got my blue toboggan on and my blue uniform shirt. So it's just got a minor dent over the wheel well here on the right rear quarter. I'll pan around so you can take a look at it. Okay, and there's the damage. That little place right there. It's through this body line. Here's a better view with my inspection light. See it showing up right there. What's kind of unique about this repair, this is going to be done with the glue pull method. The inner steel wheel well and this outer skin come together. So this is what we call double wall. There's actually two pieces of metal running right to here together. So the only thing I can do is glue pull this here from the top side. All right, let's get started. Here we are with the final product. She's gone. See with that light or not. And as I always say, if I can assist you with a paintless dent repair need in the West Tennessee area, you can find me on the web, kensdents.com, or you can call me, 731-267-9708. Thanks, and have a great day.